Hello. This tutorial is dedicated to creating reports. Let us start by creating a new menu item. We will call it Report. Setting item type to Report. Every new menu item is automatically added to Administrator's menu. Let us update the menu. Here it is. Here we have very handy report creation wizard. Our report will show a list of customers' phone numbers together with company and customer name. Here is our report. Let us preview it. Let us log in as demo user. The first thing we need to do is to add the report to user menu. We also need to grant the user access to the report. Okay, we are now ready to log in as demo user. Only administrators can edit reports, the end users can only view them. Thank you for watching.